So, artificial intelligence or AI refer to the ability of machine or computer to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. AI techniques use algorithm and data to enable machines to mimic the human thinking and decision making processes. Example of AI include voice assistants, self-driving cars, and personalized recommendations. So these are just few examples of how AI is being used in daily life, but potential applications are endless. From healthcare to finance, education to agriculture, AI has power to transform almost every aspect of our life. So as AI continue to evolve, it's important for us to understand its capability and limitation and also work to ensure that it is used ethically and responsible to benefit the humanity. The origin of artificial intelligence can be tracked back to the 1950 when computer scientists began exploring ways to create machines that could think and reason like the humans. The development of AI was initially driven by the desire to automate the tasks that were difficult or impossible for the humans to perform, such as complex calculation or data analysis. In the early days, the AI researchers focused on developing the rule-based system in which machines were programmed with a set of rules and instructions to perform a specific task. However, these systems were limited by their rigid and inflexible nature and were unable to adapt new situations or learn from the experiences. So in 1960 and 1970, AI researchers shifted towards a development of machine learning algorithm which allowed machines to learn from the data and improve their performance over the time. So this approach led to development of early AI applications such as export system and natural language processing. In 1980 and 1990, advances in computing power and the presence of the large database enabled the development of more sophisticated machine learning algorithms such as neural network and deep learning. These algorithms enable machines to process vast amount of data and perform the complex tasks such as image recognition and natural language understanding. In today, AI is being used in wide range of applications from self-driving cars, voice assistants to healthcare and finances. AI technology continue to evolve and improve with researchers exploring new approaches such as reinforcement learning and generative adversarial network. However, concern around the ethical and social implications of AI continue to be an important topic of the discussion. So let's talk about type of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be broadly classified into two types, narrow or weak artificial intelligence and general or we can say strong artificial intelligence. Narrow AI refer to the AI system that are designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks such as image recognition or natural language processing. These systems are highly specialized and can only perform the tasks they are specifically designed for. So narrow AI is most common form of AI in use of in today world. So that include applications such as voice assistants, recommendation engines, and self-driving car. The next one is general AI. On the other hand, this refer to artificial intelligence system that are capable of performing any intellectual task that humans can. So these systems are not limited to a specific task or domains and can be learned and reasons in a general sense. So in general AI is still largely a theoretical concept. No system currently exists that can truly match the breadth and flexibility of the human intelligence, while narrow AI is highly useful in specific applications. And general AI is seen as the ultimate goal of AI research and with the potential to revolutionize fields such as healthcare and educational and also scientific research. However, the development of general AI is a complex and challenging task. So there are concerns around the ethical and social implications of the creating machines with such advanced intelligence. So let's talk about the real world application of AI or artificial intelligence. So AI is being used in wide range of real world applications across the various industry. Some of the most notable example include healthcare. In healthcare, AI is being used in healthcare to develop personalized treatment plan, predict disease outbreaks, and diagnosis medical conditions more accurately. Examples include IBM Watson, oncology, and DeepMind healthcare projects. In finance, AI is being used in finance for fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment analysis. And the next industry is transportation. AI is being used in transportation for self driving cars and predictive maintenance and route optimization. Examples that include Tesla Autopilot, Uber's self-driving car. In education, AI is being used in education for personalized learning, intelligence tutoring, and automated grading. In customer service, AI is being used in customer service for chatbot, voice assistance, and automated response. In marketing, AI is being used in marketing for personalized recommendations, customer segmentation, and predictive analysis. In retail, AI is being used in retail inventory management, price optimizations, and personalized recommendations. In manufacturing, AI is being used in predictive maintenance, quality controls, and supply chain optimizations. In entertainment, AI is being used in entertainment for personalized content recommendations, content creations, and immersive experiences. For example, include Netflix and Disney Magic Bands. So AI is being used in many industry and applications, and its use is expected to continue grow as the technology advances and new use cases are discovered. So that's all for today in this video. Let's meet in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching. If this type of video is helpful for you, please do like and subscribe.